Hi, my name is Brian Johnson. Today I'm going to be showing you how to credit card a door. Basically what you're doing is shimming the latch, and that's going to allow you to basically gain entry to a locked door. So the first step is going to be to pick out a card that you most likely don't care about. This is going to be your tool that's going to allow you to shim the latch. In this case, we're going to use a movie theater gift card. I do not believe it has any money on it, so I do not care if it gets damaged. So it's important to understand that some doors have more wiggle room than others, and it'll be easier to execute this technique on other doors, while some doors it might be a lot harder. So what you're going to do is slide your credit card into the door jamb and kind of slide it down until you feel a stop. That's going to be where the latch is at. I like to kind of pull the door in and out and then just push forward and you're in. Thank you for watching my video on how to credit card a door or shim a door latch, however you want to word it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Know that you should only perform this technique on your own property. You should not be going around breaking into other people's houses, obviously. Yeah, stay tuned. I got more videos showing how to bypass other locks. And if this technique did work really easily on your door, it is a good idea to probably consider calling the locksmith and getting a deadbolt installed. Deadbolts are shim proof. You are not unable to stick a credit card in, such as we have on this door. So yeah, thanks again for watching and have a good one.